Hello everyone. If you are trying to enjoy Flix Vision on your Amazon Fire Stick but are not sure how to get it set up, I am here to help. So let's go step by step to get Flix Vision running smoothly. Now the first step you need to do is turn on your Fire Stick and go to the settings. Then click on My Fire TV, then Developer Options. Here, enable the option for apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install third-party apps like FlixVision. Next, head to Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick and download the Downloader app. This tool will help you sideload FlixVision onto your device. Once installed, open it and grant any necessary permissions. In the Downloader app, enter the URL for the FlixVision APK file. You can find this link on FlixVision's official website or a trusted source. Download the APK and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, the app will prompt you to install FlixVision. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Now afterwards, you can delete the APK file to free up space. After that, return to the Firestick home screen, navigate your apps and channels, and then find Flix Vision. Launch the app, log in with your account, and you are ready to enjoy your favorite content. And that is how you add Flix Vision to your Amazon Fire Stick. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.